Hey guys, Amber Jolly here with Charles Pool Real Estate. This new listing, space, charm, nostalgia, garden paradise. 3.65 acres and a beautiful, undeniably full of character home. 577 County Road 2041. Let's take a look. Welcome to 577 County Road 2041, a hidden gem in the Shady Acres subdivision just off Appleby Sand Road. Built in the 1970s, this meticulously maintained home is packed with character, offers nearly 2,000 square feet of living space. It offers an enclosed back porch for you to sip your coffee and tea on those cold winter nights. From the moment you step through the door, the charming atrium entry sets the tone for a warm and inviting atmosphere. Inside, you'll find spacious bedrooms, spacious closets, filled with natural light and timeless details that make this home truly special. Sitting on 3.65 lush acres, this property is a gardener's dream, offering endless possibilities for your outdoor enjoyment and entertaining. If you are looking for a home with space to breathe and the classic charm, yet not far from town, this is the one. 577 County Road 2041, Nacogdoches, Texas.